Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are starting off at a high note. I'm making chocolate chip muffins, or you can call them cupcakes. So here I'm trying to sieve 2 3/4 of flour. I'm not using all-purpose flour, I'm using the self-raising one. But if you're using if you have all-purpose flour only, you can use that 2 3/4 cups, and then add 1 tablespoon of baking powder to it. So for me, I'm using the self-raising one, so I'll not be adding baking powder. Let's see how it turns out. Yeah, so when you sieve your flour, okay, it's not a must you sieve, but I prefer sieving because this helps to incorporate air into the flour. That helps make the cakes look fluffy and airy inside. So this is me sieving my flour and I am done. So to this I'm going to add salt. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon salt. To help with the contrast. So 1 teaspoon salt right in there. So I'm going to mix the flour and the salt together using a spatula. You can use a wooden spoon or mwiko, or if you have a whisk, you can use that as well. But I prefer using the spatula, it's easier for me. So I'm going to set this aside and come back with another bowl for the wet ingredients. So I'm going to start off with 1 1/4 cups whole milk. So this is my milk, 1 1/4 cups whole milk. Add it in there. Then I'm going to add a 1/2 cup melted butter. This is a 1/2 cup melted butter. Remember guys to use room temperature wet ingredients because it makes work easier when you use room temperature wet ingredients. So I'm also going to add 1 cup sugar. Here is my sugar. I'll add 1 cup sugar. The reason why I'm saying we should use room temperature ingredients, if you use too cold ingredients in this in any cake recipe, it gets to take a longer time for it to bake in the middle, which you don't want because you have a sunken cake. So I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. Then I'm going to add 2 large eggs. Also, here are the eggs. I'd removed them earlier from the fridge, so yeah. So I had 2 eggs, 2 large eggs. If you have small eggs, you can add 3. Yeah. So I'm going to turn on my oven. I'm going to start with the temperature. I'll do 250. Then I'll do both heat from both sides, and then I'll put in 10 minutes. The main reason why I'm putting full temperatures to preheat, you need a lot of heat for them to rise at first, so you'll need your oven to be really hot. Yeah, so yeah. To feel this, I know sometimes three quarters or half full, but as for me, I'm going to fill this. So I realized I have quite a lot of butter left, and my muffin or cupcake tin, it's a bit tiny, so I decided to use the bread tin. Yeah, still yes. So you shake it a little bit for it to be even. Still coming with our chocolate chips, yeah, and add them on top. So guys, here are our muffins or cupcakes or yeah. So let's see how they're looking. Kama tazi tatoka kwa nini? Kinamana. Zinatoka vizuri. So yeah, they are coming off nicely. So nice, so nice. Looks so yummy. Yummy, yummy. Look at that. Look at that. So yummy. So yummy. Yeah. Till next time. Bye guys. Cheers. Oh, we wait for the other one.